It's time for me to get up and smash time. Oh yeah. Just made it to the camp spot and I grabbed some firewood. It's really cool. They have these lockers. I don't know if you can see them, but you just pay with your card and then it automatically opens a locker with that type of wood if you select medium or large sack of wood. My campsite's on the left somewhere. Put it to first gear here. Alright, let's do this. Let's get to this camp spot. Some of these campsites have photos so you can see what they look like prior to renting them. Is that it there? Nope, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. 239. It's right here. I'm in the campsite here. The portable toilet that I got, stool as well. It's collapsible. Just open it up, insert the insert with this tab that's out like this. You can grab it, pull it in, makes a full circle, and then this is the toilet seat. Okay, and this is the padded seat that you can sit on if you're not going to use it as a toilet. You never know, so just in case, I'm going to go ahead and line it up. The seat. There you go. I've got my pee container here. Got water and soap. Got my wipes there. And this is my dirty clothes hamper since I'll be here for 2 days. And since I'm not using this right now, the container is outside, I'm going to go ahead and just put the stool in here. The bands that I have as well. Put those here. I'm going to use those later. I made this incognito cubby and I can just put things like this in here and then close it. How cool is that? This little cool ring light. Like a rag for the dishes and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this Jeep towel that I have. I'm gonna make some food. Yes, gonna heat it up and eat. I love butter. You're wondering, how is he gonna eat that like that? Well, just put it in the bread and just scoop it out like this. You got bread and the beans. I've got everything good to go. Everything is secure back here. Nothing's gonna roll off or slip off the counters or anything like that. And gonna check out the trails. Let's go do it. Let the adventure begin again. It is Saturday and there's a lot of people coming in to check out the trails, so hopefully it's not too full. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go check it out now. Apparently there are snakes out here. It's such a gorgeous day that there are a lot of airplanes out. I apologize for the sound and the noise. There's a sign back there that read snake something call, but there are snakes out here on the trail. You just gotta be vigilant about where you're walking. You don't want to accidentally step on one, because that wouldn't be good. The water does seem to look cleaner than usual. It's usually like this murky brown. But it's this aquamarine sort of color. Beautiful. There's only one real lake in Texas, and that's the Caddo Lake that borders Louisiana. Every other lake in Texas are all man-made. I've been chilling inside my Jeep, reading, listening to music, and writing some stuff in my journal. Looks like the sun has had its fun and it's going down, so I'm going to head to the store and then I'm going to build a fire and get all that started. So yeah. Well, it's the morning time, and yeah, had a good night's sleep and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and pack everything up. The sun is out, as you can see. It's beautiful outside, and got my lighter for the candle. Got my wallet, laptop. I'm gonna put all that away, and I'm gonna head out. Y'all stay safe, fresh, and as always, remember, roam with Jeep.